Okay, this is an experiment to show how electricity flows in a circuit. On the side farthest from the screen is a picture showing the switch, and then as we turn away from the switch, the wires connect from the switch to the light bulb. From the wires where they continue, they connect with the battery. The battery is going to supply power to turn the light bulb on. Everything here you see is laid out on a circuit board. So currently the light switch is not on. So how I'm going to turn on the light switch, I'm going to go over here and turn on the light switch. So first thing, I'm going to go over here and turn on the light switch. Let's look and see what our results are showing. If you look very closely, you can see that the light switch, the light bulb is on because I have now turned on the switch there from off to on. So this switch turned on, it started to generate power from the battery, and then the energy from the battery was used to turn on the light bulb. Okay, so this is an example of a electrical circuit showing how power is transferred from the battery to the light bulb, and power is turned on and off by the use of the light switch.